We are from the Bell.AI, and then we have very good products here. And then this one is one of our advanced mobile control. Look at the one he's playing right now. It's like a guitar playing. And then there's a distance sensor over there, and then with different distance, it's going to detect through the distance of the sensor between the box there, and then it's going to give you a different musical note to play with. It's like a small guitar. And then even with stick kits, it's actually available for programming. They are all programmable using Scratch, using other programming C language, and then with the advanced programming palette, they can build all different kind of operations. Look at the one we are showing here. It's actually very well using the unit blocks. So this is very interesting how to play with, because they're all compatible using the metal pieces. Yes. And then we have all different kind of sensor and modules to combine into them. And then you can see the very unique palette we are using have our own PCB board, which means we develop everything inside there that can compatible with the use of our own developed sensor and modules. That's the beautiful of Watch, and then within one kit, you can see you can build at least 14 products out there within one kit.